Hi everyone, in this video I would like to show you how to make a true ring, the so-called true ring. I thread my needle, and in this true ring we're going to use the yarn like this. I'm going to use the yarn from the loop, so it should be bigger. Every time you make a true loop, you need more thread from the loop. Let's start as usual. I'm going to make 10 double stitches. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And now we just push through the needle. I'm not crossing here as usually I do. I just pull it tight and it's closing. This is how it's closed. And I just close the ring. And I made a true ring. I hope you like this video.